How financially fit are you? Do you want to know? Then, answer these questions. First of all, can your emergency fund cover your expenses? Up to 6 months. Are you able to save 50% from your income? Do you have loans? Does most of your income go towards loan repayment? What about your life cover? Is it 10 times your annual salary? Do you have health insurance? Will it cover your family's medical emergency? Do you invest monthly? With systematic investment plan? Are your income and investment well planned? Keeping in mind maximum tax deduction and savings? Do you feel you are not financially fit? Contact our experts. Become financially fit with proper planning.